Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 23. Sensei ne kikimasu, asked the teacher. Mawashimasu, turn. Hikimasu, pull. Kaimasu, change. Dowane sawarimasu, touch the door. Otsoriga dimasu, change, come out. Toke ga ogokimasu, move, work, watch. Michi o arokimasu, walk along a road. Hashi o watarimasu, cross a bridge. Koroma ni ki o tsukete, pay attention to cars, take care. Hikkoshi shimasu, move, house. Denki ya, electrician. Ya, shop. Saizu, size. Oto, sound. Kikai, machine. Tsumami, knob. Kosho shimasu, break down. Michi, road, way. Kosaten, crossroad. Shingo, traffic light. Kado, corner. Hashi, bridge. Choshajo, parking lot, car park. Me, the nth ordinal. Oshogatsu, New Year's Day. Gochisu sama deshita. That was delicious. Tatemono, building. Gaikokujin Torokusho, registration card. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!